This summer in 2014, I and my colleague Marinka went to Stanford, where I began to work on my PhD.
We are the first generation of scholars supported by American Slovenian Education Foundation.
There we met a lot of talented people, and their passion motivated us to do our research work.
We had the chance to network with many top researchers, and this opened new opportunities for future collaborations.
Now that I'm back in Slovenia, I still work on the project I started there.
I think my PhD will benefit a lot from the knowledge and experience I got at Stanford University. We appreciate the efforts of the hosting families.
During our stay, we were living with Slovenian families.
It was awesome.
We are really thankful to the foundation and the donors who made the visit possible.
We really hope this is just the beginning of a great initiative. Well, in a way, it changed my life.
It really was an unforgettable summer.